The new year has come with new speculations and insights over the market as experts mirror key factors that can shape the growth of Web3 over the next 12 months. The major area analysts have dwelt on is the market's bearish trend. Is an end in sight? Last year was chaotic, with several top assets losing as much as 60% in value with no positive roads in sight. Market leader, Bitcoin, slumped over 55% last year and still hangs below $17,000. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. On the bright side, inflation is on the decline, and many experts have predicted stocks and other assets to bounce back, so the bear season may soon be over. The SEC v. Ripple, XRP, case is now 2 years old, and the final decision would be a landmark case for both the SEC and Ripple. On the side of the SEC, a judgment declaring XRP as a security could reshape digital asset regulation in the country. Some commentators believe that the case would have a wider reach, with authorities going after centralized exchanges like Binance US, Coinbase, and Kraken. Lewis Cohen, an attorney specializing in Web3 and digital assets, stated that the SEC wants to go all out of its wins against XRP. If they got their way, most US token marketplaces could not allow users to buy and sell crypto securities without registering as an exchange or getting an exemption, he added. A win for Ripple will prevent a draconian push by regulators to describe digital assets as securities. Specifically, it will be a landmark moment for the XRP army, which believes its beloved asset is being held back by the SEC. After Ethereum's merge last year, which transitioned the network to a proof-of-stake model reducing its energy usage by 99%, Vitalik Buterin restated his commitment to continue leading the advancement of Web3. The blockchain will implement a Shanghai upgrade in Q1 2023 to enable stakers to withdraw their Ethereum, ETH. Since staking kicked off on the blockchain, users have staked about $20 billion worth of ETH, including newly generated ETH, and will be available for withdrawal in March. Ethereum is also poised to extend its leadership as the leader in NFTs and other projects as its closest rival, Solana, battles migrating projects and technical issues. On Saturday, XRP slipped by 0.21%. Partially reversing a 1.91% gain from Friday, XRP ended the day at $0.34382. Significantly, XRP avoided sub-$0.34 for the first time in 3 sessions. A bearish start to the day saw XRP fall to an early low of $0.34151. Steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at $0.3357, XRP rose to an early evening high of $0.34554. However, coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3495, XRP eased back to end the day at $0.34382. There were no updates from the ongoing SEC v. Ripple case to provide direction. A quiet Saturday session left XRP in a range-bound session. Following the U.S. jobs report and ISM non-manufacturing PMI on Friday, fears of an economic recession outweighed hopes of a less hawkish Fed on Saturday. While Fed monetary policy and the macroeconomic environment remain focal points, the SEC v. Ripple case will continue to be the driving force. The lack of updates from the SEC v. Ripple case led trading volumes lower on Saturday. With the parties having to file oppositions to omnibus motions to seal on Monday, uncertainty toward the outcome of the case will continue to limit the upside. However, 2 court rulings would move the dial and break down support or resistance levels. Investors await a ruling on the SEC motion to redact content from the William Hinman speech-related documents, while the parties also await the court ruling on the summary judgment reply briefs. As background, former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance William Hinman said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are not securities. The contentious issue with the speech related to Hinman's connection with Simpson Thacher, which is part of a group that promotes enterprise Ethereum. After leaving the SEC, Hinman returned to Simpson Thacher. Today, silence on the SEC v. Ripple case will leave XRP in the hands of the broader crypto market. Investors will need a catalyst to break out from the recent ranges. At the time of writing, XRP was down 0.79% to $0.34110. A mixed start to the day saw XRP rise to an early high of $0.34459 before falling to a low of $0.33666. XRP fell through the first major support level, S1, at $0.3417 and briefly through the second major support level, S2, at $0.3396. XRP needs to move through S1 and the $0.3436 pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3457. A return to $0.3450 would signal a bullish session. In the case of an extended rally, XRP would likely test the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.3477 and resistance at 35 cents. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.3517. Failure to move through S1 and the pivot would bring the second major support level, S2, at $0.3396 back into play. However, barring an extended sell-off, XRP should avoid sub $0.3350. The third major support level, S3, at $0.3356 should limit the downside. Court rulings on the SEC v. Ripple case would remove the influence of the support and resistance levels. The EMAs and the 4-hourly candlestick chart, below, sent a bearish signal. At the time of writing, XRP sat below the 50-day EMA, currently at $0.34365. The 50-day EMA slipped back from the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA easing back from the 200-day EMA. The signals were bearish. A move through the 50-day EMA, $0.34365, would support a breakout from R1, $0.3457, to target the 100-day EMA, $0.34766, and R2, $0.3477. However, failure to move through the 50-day EMA, $0.34365, would leave XRP under pressure. 2022 saw many crypto assets lose value, prompting investors to pull their money from the market. During turbulent times, inflows plummeted massively. According to the latest report by CoinShares, the digital asset inflow was recorded at $433 million, the lowest in 4 years. The last time figures were hovering near the current level was in 2018, when inflows stood at $233 million. Bitcoin saw the third worst year for inflows with $287 million after declining by well over 60% this year. Multi-asset investment products recorded inflows of just $209 million. The merge was the biggest highlight in the Ethereum ecosystem. But investor concerns over a successful transition to proof of stake, POS, translated into outflows of $402 million. The figure was in a sharp reversal compared to the previous 2 years when Ethereum saw massive inflows of more than $1.8 billion and $920 million, respectively. Other altcoins that bore the brunt of the tumultuous year were Binance Coin, BNB, with $24 million and Tron, TRX, with $3 million outflows. On the other hand, Litecoin, LTC, and Polygon, Matic, oriented products registered inflows of $2 million and $1 million, respectively. While the washout of crypto exchange FTX severely affected the Solana network, it wrapped up the year on a positive note with $121 million. XRP remained unfazed by the twists and turns of the battle between crypto firm Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. In fact, XRP-related investment products clocked in $32 million in inflows, the second highest in the last 5 years. Meanwhile, short investment products came to the fore with inflows worth $108 million for the whole of 2022. Ripple price analysis reveals the price has been trading high for the past few 24 hours as the bulls have been putting efforts to remain at the lead. An uptrend is observed currently as well, as the price has been increased to the $0.3439 level as the bulls have maintained their strength. This has proved to be quite beneficial for the overall coin value, as chances of recovery have been availed to their best. It is expected that a further increase in price will follow in the upcoming hours as well. The one-day Ripple price analysis confirms an upward price movement for today, as the price has increased to $0.3439. The bearish pressure was present in the market for the past few days, however, today it has been broken by the bullish surge. The price was rejected at $0.3455, which is quite a negative sign for the investors. But, the support was present at $0.3342, which has helped in maintaining the current surge and increase in price. The volatility has increased during the day, which is yet another bullish sign. As a result, the upper Bollinger Band value has now moved up to $0.3637, whereas the lower Bollinger Band value moved down to $0.3316. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, Score has undergone an increase as well as it is now at index 42.53 on a steep upwards curve indicating the intense buying activity in the market. The 4 hours Ripple price analysis is declaring the bullish lead as the price has improved consistently. Since the past few hours, an upward trend has been observed as the price has moved up to the $0.3439 level. The price has increased significantly as the bullish momentum has been intensifying since yesterday. The moving average, in the 4 hours price chart, is standing at the $0.3405 level above SMA 50. The increase in volatility has changed the upper Bollinger Band value to $0.3502 and the lower Bollinger Band value to $0.3345, indicating high volatility. The RSI is continuing its upward curve at index 45.80 on the border of the neutral zone. The price experienced bullish progression today, as confirmed by the 1-day and 4-hour Ripple price analysis. The bulls are now back on track as they have been able to bring the price up to $0.3439 in the last 24 hours as the trend remained bullish throughout the day. It can be expected that the cryptocurrency will continue its bullish ascent in the coming hours. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.